key fob trick. That key fob in your pocket right now. You think you know what it does. Most owners don't. And honestly, that's not their fault. Because BMW never told them. Every BMW owner uses it the same way. Press once, unlock. Press twice, all doors. Back in the pocket. Done. 3, 4, 5 years pass. And that's all they ever do with a piece of hardware BMW engineers spent serious time building. Here's what most owners never notice. You've been tapping it. You should be holding it. Hold the unlock button. Don't tap, hold, and every window in the car drops open simultaneously. Sunroof slides back. The car ventilates itself before you even touch the door handle. Parked in summer heat, your interior drops temperature before you sit down. Hold lock. Everything seals shut. No app, no menu, no additional setup. It's there. It works. Most owners just never explore it. And here's the honest truth. 90s Japanese performance cars had this exact concept built into their factory key systems first. BMW adopted it, refined the hardware, and integrated it quietly into their own platform. The feature didn't disappear. It just never got announced. Now you know. Use it every single summer, but the second one is different. The second one reveals how your car actually works from the inside. Hidden menu. Your BMW has more than one layer, and most owners will spend their entire time with this car never knowing the second one exists. Every owner knows the surface layer. iDrive. Navigation, climate, media. Everything BMW walks you through at delivery. Below that is a diagnostic layer, built for engineers, but accessible to any owner who knows the exact sequence. Here's how you reach it. Don't touch the brake pedal. Press start/stop once, twice, 3 times, fast. The dashboard responds. A diagnostic interface activates on screen. This is not the standard iDrive layer. This is the layer engineers use to read real-time system data during development and testing. From here, hold the BC button on your steering wheel for 10 to 15 seconds. A hidden menu list appears. No warning, no setup prompt, just a list of functions sitting inside your car that most drivers never access. This menu exists across the majority of modern BMW models running the current dashboard generation. BMW built it in. It's there for legitimate diagnostic purposes. Most owners simply don't know the entry sequence, so they never get in. What's inside gives you more control over your car than any service visit will hand you voluntarily. Starting with something most owners completely overlook and pay for every time they miss it. Cluster test. Your dashboard looks fine right now. That's exactly what makes this one important and a little unsettling. Inside the hidden diagnostic menu, cluster test. Select it. Every needle on the instrument cluster sweeps to maximum simultaneously. Every warning light fires at once. The entire cluster runs a full self-diagnostic, testing every pixel, every needle movement, every indicator light for accuracy and function. Most BMW owners never run this. They trust the dashboard completely, see a needle in normal range, and assume everything behind it is accurate. That trust is reasonable. But it's not always correct. This test catches the quiet problems. A needle that reads consistently 2 degrees low. A temperature indicator running slightly off because the display layer behind it has a failing pixel. No warning light fires for these. No alarm triggers. The car simply delivers slightly inaccurate information, and you make decisions based on it every single drive. Run this test every few months. 30 seconds. If any needle doesn't sweep fully or any indicator doesn't fire, that's an early signal worth investigating before it becomes a real fault. BMW built this test into the car for exactly this reason. It gives you visibility your standard dashboard doesn't offer. Most owners just never find it. The next one is something most BMW owners use every night, but only half of them know it can be adjusted. Follow lights. This one is hiding in plain sight. Every modern BMW has Follow Me Home lights, a feature that keeps your headlights on for a set duration after you lock the car and walk away. Useful in a dark driveway. Useful in an unlit car park. Most owners either don't know it exists or have never touched the timing setting. Here's what most people miss. The duration is adjustable. Inside settings. Lights. Follow Me Home. You can set exactly how long those lights stay on after you leave the car. 30 seconds, 60 seconds, up to 3 minutes depending on the model. BMW shipped every car with a default setting. But that default was never explained to most buyers at delivery. Beyond that, on models equipped with the current driver assistance package, There is a drive preview function accessible through the vehicle settings. This allows the driver assist display to initialize and show the system's current calibration state while the car is stationary. Lane detection range, distance sensor status, camera alignment indicator. Most owners who experience inconsistent lane assist or adaptive cruise behavior book a workshop visit immediately. Running drive preview. First 30 seconds shows you whether the system is reading correctly before you spend money finding out it was fine all along. Both features are already in your car. Both are under-discovered. Both give you more control with zero additional cost. The next one is where things get serious. Your dashboard has been showing you a comfortable number, not the real one. Real temps. That temperature needle sitting in the middle of your dashboard. It is not showing you your exact coolant temperature. It's showing you a range, a display BMW calibrated to indicate normal operating conditions without showing the precise live figure. For most drives, that's fine. For edge cases, it isn't. And the edge cases are exactly when it matters most. The real live reading is accessible through the Unlock section of the hidden diagnostic menu. Here's how to reach it. Take the last 5 digits of your VIN, add them together. That total is your personal unlock code. Enter it. The temperature submenu opens. Live coolant temperature and live oil temperature as separate real-time digital readings, independent of the dashboard gauge. Here's why this matters in practice. A 335 owner noticed nothing unusual on the dashboard during a long highway drive. Needle centered, no warnings, standard reading. When they accessed the hidden temperature data, coolant was running significantly higher than normal operating range. Oil temperature was still climbing. The two readings had diverged in a way the dashboard gauge simply doesn't show. Catching that early meant addressing a coolant system issue before it developed into serious engine damage. That one check saved an engine. The dashboard gives you a general picture. This menu gives you the actual numbers. Check this reading after long drives. Check it if the car feels even slightly different from normal. Check it before and after any cooling system service. The gauge will not always tell you when something is building quietly, but this data will. The last one saves you real money. Starting from the next brake service. Brake Reset. BMW built a professional reset function directly into the car. Most owners pay a workshop to use it without knowing they already have it. Under Surface in the hidden diagnostic menu. Brake Reset. Here's what this means practically. Replace the rear brake pads on any BMW with an electronic parking brake. The majority of 3 Series, 5 Series, and 7 Series from 2010 onward. And the system requires a reset before the electronic motor seats correctly against the new pads. Without it, the caliper piston won't compress fully. The brake runs slightly dragged. New pads wear unevenly from the very first kilometer. Most owners who do their own brake work skip this step. Not because they're careless, but because they don't know the reset is required. The result is uneven pad wear and slightly degraded brake feel that builds gradually over months. By the time it's obvious, the pads are already compromised. Workshops charge for this reset. Independent garages need professional OBDI diagnostic equipment, anywhere from $300 to $1,200 depending on the platform. BMW built the identical reset function into this menu. Free, accurate, available every single time you do a brake service. Use it. Every time. Every feature on this list is already inside your car. BMW built them in, not to hide them, but because they serve real engineering and diagnostic purposes. The gap isn't that BMW concealed them. The gap is that most owners never go looking. And this is where the difference with Japanese manufacturers becomes clear. Older Japanese brands built these kinds of functions closer to the surface, accessible without sequences, documented in owner communities, passed down between generations of enthusiasts. That culture of owner-level access shaped how people interact with those cars for decades. BMW built the same depth, just behind a door most people never open. Now you know where the door is, and exactly what's on the other side.